What is up? It's Friday. It's last day natin sa work. Ayan, oh, grabe ang ulan dito sa Vancouver. Vancouver talaga to. Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas and vlog tayo gamit lang Hisense, yung Oakley Meta na Hisense at saka Vanguard at saka yung Insta360. Yan, ganito dito sa Vancouver ngayon. Yan, basang-basa. Grabe. So, kitain ko kayo sa Pinas. Gala tayo. Why are you scared of the airplane? No. But we're gonna fly. Yeah. Yes. Your birthday, right? Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
Bye, have a happy
See you, thank you.
Bye.
Hindi na ako makakapag paalam kay Captain Ragasa. Paano na lang ako? Oo. Pa-regards na lang ako, ha? Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Lolo.
It smells like Philippines.
Ha? Are you happy? Dito daw, dito daw. Say mabuhay. Don't stay. They will take you. See, they will take you. Say hi. Oh. Morning. Malaking ano, puting malaki na yung artista ban. Hindi ko lang tawag eh, artista ban lang tawag nila eh. Yung mataas siya. Yan. Kami ng bala, sir, kami ng bala. Sa amin. Kasya pa ba? Grabe si Bebe. Nakakatuwa siya makita.
You want so much.
Conveni lang to, ha.
Kay ate yun pa let's go.
Your Oreo, your favorite. They're Oreo.
Oh my God. Dining